सर पांडुरंग मडकेकरान काल एलिगेशन केलें की सगळे बीजेपीचे मिनिस्टर आहा ते पयशे घेवन कामां करता म्हणून.
पयशांकूच पयशे मेजपाक सध्या बिझी आहा सगळे मिनिस्टर बीजेपीचे.
See, in a democracy, one should be careful but not to abuse the freedom one has to speak. He was a former minister. I don't want to speak more. Everybody knows him well and he knows this ministry also well. He should look into his own backyard and what happened during his time before commenting on others. My simple advice to him, don't throw stones at glass houses. Followed, na?
तो तुमच्या बीजेपीचो चड न्हू सो तुमचेर बीजेपीचे तेजेर एलिगेशन
आपले 20 लाख रुपये घेतला म्हणटा ते मिनिस्टरचे
So
पीएम.
again, this is something wrong. Then he should go and file a police complaint and straight away take action. Why is he not doing it? Name the minister. Name the minister, take police action.
One more thing he has said that assembly election येता पळय तेन्ना 50% MLAs घरा पावतले म्हणून.
See, it is always the case. If you look at any assembly, record in every election, 40% of the people are changed in every election. So if he says 50%, he is enhancing the percentage by only 10%. So there is nothing to be read in that statement. At least he is admitting that 50% will come back. That is important for us.